Welcome to this Stoic guided meditation for inner serenity and strength. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down, ensuring that you won't be disturbed for the next 10 minutes. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Let's begin. As you settle into this moment, imagine yourself in a serene, open space surrounded by nature. Picture a vast landscape, perhaps a calm meadow or a tranquil forest. Feel the gentle warmth of the sunlight on your skin, bringing a sense of comfort and peace. Breathe deeply, inhaling the pure, revitalizing air around you. As you exhale, release any tension or worries that may be lingering within you. Allow each breath to ground you further into this present moment. In this tranquil setting, connect with the Stoic principle of recognizing what is within your control and what is not. Imagine two distinct areas in your mind, one labeled "within my control" and the other labeled "beyond my control." As thoughts and concerns arise, gently place them into these areas based on whether you can influence them or not. Feel a growing sense of detachment from the things beyond your control, allowing yourself to find peace within this understanding. Now, focus on your inner virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Imagine each virtue as a radiant light within your heart, glowing brighter with every breath. As you inhale, invite these virtues to fill your being, and as you exhale, allow any negativity or doubt to dissolve into the serene landscape around you. Visualize challenges or obstacles you may be facing. See them as stepping stones along your journey, each one an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. With the wisdom of the Stoics, recognize that your perception and response to these challenges are within your control. Embrace a sense of courage as you confront them, knowing that your inner strength is unwavering. As the meditation comes to a close, bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, feeling the connection between your breath and your inner calm. With each breath, you affirm your ability to face life's uncertainties with a Stoic mindset. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gradually becoming more present in your physical surroundings. Remember that you have the power to navigate life's challenges with inner serenity and resilience. May the principles of Stoicism guide your thoughts, actions, and choices. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying the tranquility, strength, and wisdom of this Stoic meditation with you into your day.